Namaskar, this is Dr. Subhash Sorone. I welcome you to Indian Thinkers. Today was third tranche of announcements made by our Honorable FM Nirmala Sitharaman in the press conference, and she gave very pleasant surprises. The most important and first surprise was that we all were expecting that today's package would be for corporates, but it was not for corporate, but it was for agriculture. And today's package was just 1 lakh crore. But this entire amount was really for total development, infrastructural activities for agricultural and allied like dairy, fisheries, etc. The highest amount was just 20,000 crores, that was for fisheries, and lowest amount was even as low as 500 crore, and that was for the vegetable growers, though the amount is very less, but that is very important because it was announced that 50% of the transport subsidy and 50% the storage subsidy would be provided to the vegetable and fruit growers. And it was not just a financial package, but there were three important administrative policy decisions. The first one was that the Essential Commodities Act will not be applicable to many of the foodstuffs like cereals, food grains, edible oil, oil seeds, potato and onion. In the past, this act was used by successive governments, including the present government, in the benefit of customers, that is the common public, but most of the times against the farmers, that is the producer. Though basically the act was enacted so that the holder traders cannot make hoarding, but rather than it is being used against the holder, it was being used for the farmers, and therefore farmers will be certainly happy that this act is enacted, some amendments are there, and from this act all these stuffs will not be included. Of course, in my opinion, this amendment was not necessary, because this act was giving a power to the government to act in certain specific instances. If government really wanted to help the farmers, they would have avoided using this act against the farmers even without this amendment. Anyway, since it has been enacted, let us welcome it, and it is a good thing. The second thing was that the government intends to make the agricultural products marketing free. That is also a very good idea. Of course, how it will be done, those details are awaited, and it will depend on details only. Really, this agricultural marketing will be free, and really the farmers will get their fair price or not. But that is a good step in right direction. And the third most important thing was that the government has announced that there will be assured price declared just at the time of sowing. Normally, up till now, this assured price was declared somewhere in the just before the harvesting. But if it is declared at the time of sowing, it will not only help farmers, it will also help the government to either incentivize or disincentivize the farmers. If government wants that there is a stock of certain type of agricultural goods, then they would keep the price of that particular product low, so that the farmers will not grow that particular product. And if government wants that some particular, say, oil seeds must be, there should be more production of the oil seeds, then they can creep the price of the oil seeds in the beginning itself, and that way they can manage the production, and that will be the good thing. But what I was surprised, what is to do Corona with this? All these things, why it could not been done earlier? Anyway, that is just a thought, and maybe during Corona, doesn't matter, but some good things has come up and we must congratulate the government. I have left some of the things because of want of time of these announcements. I will be coming out again, and please watch my future episode also, and thank you for watching this particular episode. Thank you very much.